Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mugen Drawing. Today we're gonna draw Hinata from Haikyuu. So the first thing what we need is a reference photo. So I would find it first in Pinterest. Okay, let's jump to it. So usually I always do the circle for marking where the place the nose at, the eyes at. It doesn't have to always be perfect. You can adjust it, don't afraid to be using eraser. I usually start with the face, sometimes with mouth, sometimes nose, sometimes eyes. Depends on which part I think better to start. You can just follow me with this tutorial video. And one more tip is don't be afraid to make mistake, and you can always use an eraser. Usually I just start with basic shapes like square, circle, triangle. So the eyes I combine the square and triangle, so where I can adjust it, make the detail later. And if you draw a lot of eyes, nose, mouth, all things are gonna be a bit easier to find it. Okay, after I'm done with the face, I start with the arm, with the hand. But firstly, you just shape the simple basic shape. Like this one, we're using triangle and square. Same as the eyes before. Just follow the reference photo, but not too detailed, because you can add the detail later. I usually like to complete the upper side, which is hair and face first. So right now I'm currently doing the hair, but actually I'm not really good with hair, but I just follow through with the reference photo, mark the angle so it won't be too big or too small. So you have to remember, because on top of our forehead there's always our skull and head, so the hair is above it just a bit. And now time to add the shading. Sometimes I add the shading while drawing at the spot I'm drawing, but sometimes I draw everything else to finish first, and then I go to shading. The inside of the hairline is really important actually, because you want to make your drawing look more 3D, more real. You just can add shading to the drawings, depends on your reference photo. And one more thing is to trust the process. Sometimes it doesn't feel like you're doing it, but sometimes in the end it looks okay. After I finish the face and the hair, I'm going to add the details to the hand now. Since you have the basic shape like the triangle one, so you can just add on your fingers to the hand. So if you don't want to make it look long, you just gonna make it look short, just as like the photo. And my favorite part to draw is hand, actually. Hand, fingers. I like the anatomy actually, how it looks real sometimes. At this point, you won't see your hand or finger looks real because it doesn't add the detail, but after you add on the detail, for sure the hand's gonna look real. I mean, like, it's look like a hand, yeah. If you add the fingernails, add the wrinkle. And I think one more thing is the detail. The detail is important to make your drawing looks good. But if you don't want to do it, you can also skip the details like numbers on the shirt, letters on the shirt. You just can skip it. It's not a problem actually. Okay, so there you have it. That's how I do my Hinata in Haikyuu. So please comment down below what you think, and I will improve my tutorial next time. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.